And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that India's startup ecosystem has witnessed rapid growth, creating employment for hundreds of thousands of people and transitioning job seekers into job providers. He was speaking during the concluding day of the Startup Mahakumbh, a 3-day event that saw the participation of hundreds of startups, incubators, investors and delegations from over 10 different countries. Modi said that India is the world's third largest startup ecosystem, reiterating the government's vision of a developed India or Viksit Bharat by 2047. Modi said that events like the Startup Mahakumbh are a significant step towards realizing this vision.
को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया, उनको फंडिंग के सोर्स से कनेक्ट किया, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस में इंक्यूबेटर स्थापित करने का अभियान भी चलाया। हमारा स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम सिर्फ बड़े मेट्रो शहर तक सीमित नहीं है, ये देश के 600 से अधिक जिलों तक पहुंच चुका है।
The Election Commission of